Have you ever heard or even tasted a croque monsieur? It's an elevated ham and cheese sandwich with gooey bechamel sauce. So I took that idea and stuffed them into biscuits. Here's how you do it. Start off by melting half a cup of salted butter and combining it with half a cup of all-purpose flour. Add 1 cup of milk and mix it all together. Then sprinkle on a half a cup of grated Swiss cheese, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Mix it all together until the cheese is melted. Then bring it over to an ice cube tray and carefully add some of the sauce into each slot. I'm adding some more grated cheese and some smoked ham, so only add enough sauce to fill up each slot halfway. Then on top of the sauce, add some grated Swiss cheese. On top of the cheese, add some chopped up smoked ham and even more of the sauce. Using a mini whisk or a spoon, press down the ingredients further into the ice cube tray, then cover each space with even more bechamel sauce. Place it in the freezer for at least 30 minutes. In the meantime, prep the biscuits. Place the biscuit on a flat surface and sprinkle on some gruyere cheese, then flatten it out. Then add one of the frozen ice cubes on top and pinch the biscuit closed before rolling them into balls. Place each stuffed ball in an air fryer and cook it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. When they come out of the air fryer, the cooked gruyere cheese becomes crispy and the inside frozen part becomes cheesy and delicious.